Right, just a quick review of Taking Action Online. This is a product by JayKay Dowdall and Philip Borrowman. Now this is a sales page. How you can copy the same underground action plan that motivated a baker to quit his job and build a successful business online. Now let me just scroll down. It's actually good to see a sales page. It's got some reviews. It's actually good to see a sales page that isn't plastered with images of Warrior Plus and JV Zoo payments. In fact, there's absolutely no hype on this sales page whatsoever. Now let me just dive straight into the members area. Okay, so there's firstly, the members area looks awesome. They've put a hell of a lot of effort into making it look good. And each section, there's how many sections is there? Over 20 sections. Each section has its own set of videos. So this is getting started. If we click on here. Okay, so as you can see, there's under each section there's lots of other videos. Now one thing I would say, I think some of the videos tend to go on a bit too much. You could have got to the point a lot quicker. However, they're all very good videos. I just think some of them just drawn out a little bit too long for my liking. But basically this is from start to finish on how to build your affiliate presence online. Now, to some of you, some of these steps will be quite basic, but then this is from the very basically from the start to finish. So it kind of like increments up. Now the first few modules, basically it's going through all the basics that you need to have in place to start with. They've got a roadmap, an action plan walkthrough of what you're going to be doing. And they just basically go over what basically telling you what we're going to expect over the next few modules, and then we dive into this step by step. And it's all very methodical. So we've got choosing a niche, then building your website, making YouTube videos, choosing a social profile, and then start to build in your foundation. They mainly focus on basically not being like all the other affiliates. They teach you how to stand out above all the other affiliates, because let's face it, there's a lot of competition out there, and if you don't follow the crowd, you end up having better results. I've got creating valuable content, expanding your social following. Let's scroll down. Free traffic sources, paid traffic. I like this one. This section, this was by JayKay, and I love anything that JayKay puts out, and this was about Facebook marketing, and it's absolutely fantastic trainings. I do prefer, I must admit, I prefer my paid traffic to free traffic, and very good. Certainly follow this step. Using email marketing, another let's recoup, taking things to the next level, and then rinse and repeat, making money from your website. What in some of these modules, what he does, he actually shows you what he's done. In fact, let me see if I can find one of them I saw the other day. For instance, in this step 3, YouTube and making a video. Now at first it seems pretty normal, that standard stuff, but what I like about how Philip does is it's broken down to sections, but he tells you exactly how he ranks a video, and then he actually shows you him doing it, and then he shows you the results the next day, etc. So he actually shows you how he got his video ranked, and he shows you the stats, everything, which I really like. A lot of people don't do that, usually because they can't, because they're making it all up. But he actually, look, if you see ranking a YouTube video live, and then he gives you a checklist of what to follow to actually do the steps. So it's all like practical training, not just like taught just telling you to do it. It's actually showing you the results of his following the training. So I really do like that he's implemented that in his videos, because once you start seeing results, it does it makes you want to continue doing things. So we've got landing pages and list building, creating your own products, making more money, etc. So it's from start to finish. There are certain aspects I don't like. I think some of the videos, as I say, could be a bit shorter because there's a ton of videos in here. So it is going to take quite a while to get through all the training. Having said that, it's excellent training. If you're still spinning your wheels with no direction, I highly recommend it. Anything that JayKay puts his name to, I recommend anyway, because he's not one to put out crap. That's putting it bluntly. And yeah, now there are a couple of upsells. I'll leave details of those upsells below. There's only 2 upsells. It's not a big long funnel or anything. But I'll leave details below this video. But yeah, if you're still spinning your wheels with no direction, I highly recommend it. What it teaches does work, and it's the basics of having a presence online. Grab it while it's cheap, because it is going to be a monthly membership site after the launch. So before launch you just pay a one-time fee. After launch, anybody who wants to join after the launch will have to pay a monthly fee. So I'd grab it while it's obviously just a one-time fee. So enjoy your training and take action, okay?